Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing and testing out the Night Crystal M5 Night Vision Scope, a super versatile piece of gear that works as both a digital night vision monocular and a rifle scope. If you're into night hunting, wildlife watching, or just looking to boost your tactical gear, this all-in-one infrared scope might be exactly what you need. And yes, it mounts easily to any Picatinny rail system, or you can use it handheld like a digital night vision monocular. Now let's jump into the real-world test.
Today we have a completely different video. We're going to show you what the Night Crystal M5 night sight is. Gentlemen, right here. We're opening the package that arrived from the United States. As we can see, the sight comes in its box, and inside is the original packaging. It shows the Night Crystal M5 telescopic sight, number M5 to 50 to 940. Gentlemen, you can see it's very well protected. Here, we're taking out the box so you can see it clearly. That's the packaging, and through the company I used to get it shipped here, we can see that it's properly sealed. Yes, it has a bit of weight to it. It's somewhat heavy, not exactly light. Now let's open it so I can show you the night sight itself, so you can see it. Later on, we'll be uploading videos where we test it, so stay until the end of this video. You can see it comes with a cover here. The manual is completely in English. Let's check. Yes, it's all in English. Here is the night sight. It's digital. There you can see the sight itself. It has a very sturdy build. We're going to take it out so you can see the size. I imagined it to be a little bigger, but yes, it's actually a bit small. You can see the little piece at the bottom. That's the screen. A replicator on one side with its buttons. The replicator again, the one underneath. The lens that goes on the front. And here's the infrared flashlight. We can see the cap here where the battery goes. Let's check what kind of battery it uses. There's a safety lock. Let's see. Yes, it's a 3.7V lithium battery. Let's check if it's brand new. It's included in the combo. When you buy it, let's see what else is in here. We'll leave this part aside for now. Here we have the eyepiece, kind of like a rubber pad to rest your eye while using the scope. It comes with a Type-C charger so you can charge it directly. That's important. It also comes with a hex wrench, or Allen key as it's called in some places. Here's the rear lens. This is where you place your eye. Something important to highlight is that the sight can operate while charging. You can charge your battery, or if it runs out, you can keep it connected, and it will work 100%. Here, we can see that the sight is not very big or very heavy. You can see the charging port and the microSD slot right here. It includes a 32GB microSD card in the package. Once you buy it, you'll see it's already there. Let's focus. There we go. We've inserted it. It doesn't have a dust or water protection cover. And that's all it includes in the Night Crystal M5 box. Number M5 to 50 to 940. Continuing on. Now we're going to turn it on so you can see how it works. There we are. That's the screen. We're turning it on now. You can see the night crystal branding on screen. It does show a crosshair so you can aim and take your shots. Let's get it focused. Okay, go ahead and publish the video. I'll be uploading the tests we performed. You can see the crosshair is red. You can shoot with it. The quality, you can also check the recording quality, battery level, etc. Here you can see I've already mounted it on a .22 rifle for testing. It looks great, not too big. Like I said, it's a small scope. I've already mounted it on the rifle. Now we're going to show you a video where we tested it. This is how it looks. When looking through the reticle, this is the view. We're doing a couple of test shots so you can see. Here, we also tested it with a larger caliber rifle, as you can see. Now we're testing at night. It's completely dark, and you can really see the quality of this scope. In total darkness, it still shows a clear image, just look at that. Amazing clarity even in pitch black. Now let's take a look at how it performs during the day. We did a test in daylight so you can check. Here's a test shot. You can see it through the reticle. We're going to take a shot so you can see the grouping. Alright my friends, that's all for this video. The truth is, the Night Crystal M5 night sight works very well. One thing I do have to mention is that when you go to calibrate the sight, the crosshair doesn't sit exactly in the center. That's the one thing I didn't really like. When you try to adjust it, it won't shift to the sides, so you lose a bit of alignment with the center. But once it's calibrated, it holds steady. That's a good thing. Still, the crosshair you'll see in the video is slightly off-center, unlike what you might be used to with other telescopic sights. Alright, that's everything for today's video.
Alright, let's talk specs. The M5 night vision scope features a 3MP CMOS sensor, supports 1080p Full HD video, and captures crystal clear photos, even in total darkness. You get a 50mm large objective lens, 4x optical zoom, and 5x digital zoom. That means you can easily zoom in on distant targets, whether you're out during the day or deep into the night. What makes it perfect for nighttime hunting is the built-in 850nm or 940nm IR illuminator. It has 3 brightness levels, and gives you visibility up to 400 yards in pitch black conditions, and over 1,000 yards during the day. It's seriously impressive. Now let's walk through the basic controls. Super beginner friendly. There are 5 buttons on top of the device. Power/zoom in record video /left, IR light toggle /zoom out take photo, right, menu/confirm, press the IR button once to switch on the infrared mode. Hit record to start capturing video or snap a photo of your target. In the menu, you can adjust screen brightness, contrast, crosshair style, and more. The crosshair is fully adjustable on screen, so you can zero in on your prey. If you're looking for a reliable, all-in-one night vision rifle scope with crystal clear HD video and serious low-light performance, this might be your next favorite piece of hunting gear. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.